Okay. I think it's going. Okay, fine. So I was copying this navigation bar and I want to put it in my code. Mm, okay, so let me save this. Okay, there's a problem. What is the problem? VS Code is telling me that there's a problem. Okay. So let me try to see what there is still problem. Okay. Um. mm, okay. Let me just make the paragraph. So I'm just trying to figure out why the code is showing error. So we're just going to leave it like that. It's not really important. So if I reload this,
Your screen is completely black.
it's blank.
Yeah, it's black.
It's black.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Oh wow. Let me go back. Let me stop and share it again. What about now?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So I don't know why this isn't working. I don't know why it's not working. It's supposed to work. It's not working. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be black here. Mm, it's black now. Wow. Okay, no problems. Let's make use of what we have. Okay. So this is how your project looks like, right? And so in your navigation, where's the navigation of this? Let me put it again. Let me copy it again. Sorry. Okay, so now it is showing like it's normal. So this is your navigation bar here, right? So in your navigation bar, we have home, we have news, we have contacts. See, you don't need this class of active in your navigation. So if you can just remove it, this one, this class of active, and just let it be ahref. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Because you don't need it. All right. So we're going to change one of this navigation. We're going to change it to, okay, there is contact there. All right, good. There's actually contact there. Let me put this here. Hopefully to work. All right, something is wrong. Let me remove it like this. Okay, so maybe now it will show. I can't see the. I'm trying to put the navigation bar here, but I can't seem to find it.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not reflecting, but not a problem. So in your navigation bar, right? This is how your page look like now. You have your navigation bar, you have everything written down here. It looks like this. So now the next page you're going to, I want us to create a contact page so that if we click on contacts, right? If we click on contacts like this, it will take us to a different page. Just like, let me start here. So right now, this is how your own is looking. So what I want to teach you right now is how, if you now click on contact like this,
Yeah.
it will take you to this page. We are going to build this page too, right? So you want to be able to switch between home or index. Your index is your home page. You want to be able to switch like this. Do you understand? So that's what I want to
Yeah.
show you. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do, right, is to, you have to open a new file for contacts. You're going to call it contacts.html. All right.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. So if I go to contact.html, it's very, it's empty, to be empty. So you can see it's empty. So I'm just going to do my exclamation mark here, and I'm going to press enter, and it brings out all this thing I need, right? So this is, let me
Yeah.
just write the H1 here, my contact page. Mistake. Um, sorry, I want to start again. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Yeah. So I'm just going to put a quick H1 here. What's going on? H1, and say this is my contact page. This is my contact page. All right. So now we have created our page, but we still have to link it. All right. We still have to link it. It's annoying that this is not showing at all. Let me try to move this somewhere else. Sorry, hold on. Mm, sorry, hold on. Mm, let me put it before the header. if that will show, because I want you to see the transition. So let's hope that it show. Okay, so this is it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the navigation, and you have the rest of your code. So now we have created a HTML for the contacts, right? But if I come here and then I click on it, it's not taking me anywhere. Okay, so now we have to link we have to link it here from this. We have to link this thing here so that when we click on it, it will be taking us there. So now the best way to click on it, all right, what you do is come here, you sorry, you click on your, or you select your contact.html and you say copy path. You do it like this, copy path. So this will not be the href of
Okay.
your, yeah. So let me remove this. Normally there should be a link inside here to wherever. It could be leading wherever. So where we want it to lead, we want it to lead to where we just copied. We copied the pathway. So if I put it here like this, it's going to be leading here. All right. So if I save this now and I come here, all right, and let me reload, and then I click on it. Okay, this is not working. Let me try again. Let me see what's empty. Oh, I've not saved it. It's refusing to save. Let me be sure I have the right address here. Save. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I've scattered it again. So let me undo. Okay. So Control S is save. Let me come here and save this one too. All right. So everything is saved. So if I go here and then let me reload and I click here, I do not know why it's not going. It's supposed to work. Let me link it in another way. Okay. So since that is not working, we're going to do it the conventional way. So we're going to, what is the name of the file? Contact.html. So let me do contact.html. Let me write it like this. Okay. And I'm going to save it. Contact.html. I'm going to save it. And if I come here and I reload and I try to go here, you see, it takes me to that page. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Because the contact page that I created, this is all I wrote. I mean, it's just this H1 that is there. Okay. So if I go back to, let me go back. So now you can see that the problem is that if you get to this contact page now, you won't be able to go back to your home page because that navigation is not there. Do you understand? And you
Yeah.
don't need another CSS file. You don't need another CSS file for this page. All you need to do is to connect this page with, okay, let me take this one by one. Let me just take this one by one. Do you understand how I linked it? Do you understand how I got it to be like this? Do you understand how I linked it?
Yes. Yeah.
You're sure? All right, fine.
Yeah.
So I just linked it by putting this link right here inside the href. All right. So
Yeah.
so if I click on it like this, If I click on it and I go here, it takes me to that page. This is my contact page. But now the problem is that I don't have a navigation to navigate out of this place. So the one thing you want to do is that you want to copy your navigation styling like this, and then go and put it on the page. Let it be at the top of the page like this. All right. So now if I
Mm-hmm.
save this, what?
I said yes.
Yeah. So if I save this right now and I come here, all right. So you can see now this page now has navigation, but what it actually has is the HTML. It doesn't have the CSS that now makes it become that straight line that we have been doing since. So how do you get the CSS to reflect to be showing here? Because I mean, in this one here, in this our index.html, the we have already linked the CSS file. Let me see. There's no okay. There is no CSS. There's no CSS file in this one. But in your own, they've already linked a CSS file. All right. So what you want to do, and I think that CSS file is just what you want to do is that you want to put your, you want to come to your um
See, every
the
particular.
document of the page that you have opened, and you will copy copy that your CSS. I think CSS is how they link that thing again. No. Can you give me the code for linking your CSS? It is inside your, is in your HTML. Do you remember it?
The code for linking my CSS.
Yes, the code for linking your CSS.
Um, so I should go on HTML.
Yes, share your screen.
Okay.
Share your screen. Share your screen and share your index. Yeah. So in your HTML, can you recognize the link that links your, the code that links your CSS? Can you identify it?
Mm,
Hmm? Check it.
is it this?
What?
This one.
It's not inside the body tag, it's in the head element, is on top,
Oh,
is in all those ones that we don't touch. So do you
see this
see, if you
one.
look at the top, that's not it. If you look at the top of your code, you will see the closing head tag. You can see that place that they wrote link, link
Yeah.
rel is equals to style sheet. That is the code. Can you put that in the chat? That's the
Okay.
code that is linking your CSS. All right. That's the
Okay.
code that is linking your CSS. Okay. So you will need to copy that link. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So to get your styling to show in that new page. Hold on. The system is acting up. So what you want to do is, that is not what you copied though. Look at it. This is not this is not link. Jason, can you see what you put in the chat? That's not the
Yeah.
CSS code. So please put the correct thing.
Lang en.
What?
Is it just lang?
Is it just what?
Lang en.
No, that's not what I asked you to put. Share your screen again, please. Okay, I have to share Stop sharing my. Can you stop sharing us? Share again, please. Cause all right, don't worry. I can. Oh God, please, yeah, share again. Okay, what code did I show you that it is for? And you shouldn't be touching that code up there, because if you make a mistake and you delete something there, the whole of your code might not work again. So please be careful when you are dealing with that code in that section. I said, which one did I say it links your CSS to your HTML?
The
Can
head.
you select the code for me?
The head.
I said the closing tag of the head, where you can literally see it there, href style.css.
Yeah.
That's what is linking your CSS. That's why you can
That's
write
what I
your CSS in a
highlighted, but you
different
said
document.
no.
What did you say?
This is what I highlighted before, but then you said to go
I
to
said
the
yes,
last.
and I said put it in the chat. That I said yes, that is it. Put it in the chat.
Oh,
That's not what you put in the chat. Okay. So you're going to have to copy this code like this. You're going to have to copy this code and then go and let me share my screen now. So you copy this code and then you place it here. You can see where I'm placing it. It's the exact same place you placed it in your index code. You place it in your contact form. All right. Sorry. Like this. Okay. So when you do this thing will now turn to a normal. It will just become like the normal um index page. All right.
yeah.
Let me start again. Let me start from the beginning again. So I said in your HTML page, this is your HTML page where you have your contact and everything. The first thing you want to do is to first create a new file. You create a new file and you call it the contact.html. That's the new file. All right. So when you do that, you go there, you click on the exclamation mark. Let me So when you go there, it will be empty. A when you've created a new file, it will be empty. It will be like this. All right. So what you want to do is you want to press the exclamation mark and you go down like this. All right. So after you are done, the next thing you want to do is that you want to copy your navigation. Are you following? Are you following, Jason?
Yes.
Okay. So you go there and you write all you want to write. Right now, we're not writing anything. We're just putting the navigation bar and a H1 that this is our contact page. That's what we're doing. All right. Now, to now make sure that we link it properly, I said all you need to do is to write the name of the file inside the href. All right, contact.html. Okay. So another thing you want to do, right, is to change this one because this is the home page. When you click, let me go to. So this is your home page. Your index page is your home page. Your index page is your home page. All right. What's this thing writing from top to bottom like this? Your index page is your home page. All right. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you link it to your home page. You're going to write here index. index.html. That will be your own. All right. So you write index.html and make sure that when you transfer it here, this place also has index.html.
Okay.
All right. And then you will now link your CSS file. Make sure you link your CSS file exactly where you see me linking it, so that the styles will reflect. You do, instead of you to open another style.css for that page, all you need to do is to link the existing CSS file and save it, and everything would show. So it will not work on my end because I don't have a CSS file. Your CSS file is with you, so it won't work on my end. So that's why I cannot try it. But you see this process I just did, I want you to repeat it. That's your classwork for now. So I will check back, try attempt it, and I'll check back in 20 minutes time. Or when you are done, just let me know. So
So
please
you
attempt
just
it.
want to set up the contact.html.
Yes.
Okay. So should I start now?
Yes.
All right.
So Jason, if you are stuck or when you are done, let me know. Or if you're stuck, let me know.
Can you please scroll up?
Can I please what?
Scroll up, please.
For what?
Scroll up, please.
Why? Why do you need me to scroll up? I want you to do it by yourself. I don't want you to copy. That's why I taught you. So attempt it. Even if you don't get it, I will still tell you the answer. But I want you to attempt it by yourself. Okay? I want to see what you can do first. So when you're done attempting it, even if you did not get it, let me know. Do you understand me now? I just want you to attempt it. Let me see the level of understanding you have. I'm sure I know. Sure I know. All right, this is share your screen. Let me see what you've done so far. Let me stop sharing. So share your screen. Let me see what you've done. Then you can do the correction. Hold on, I'm trying to find your screen. Okay. So where are you stuck? I can't hear you if you're talking. No.
I said I'm not stuck.
So why is your head showing an angry? Why is it showing red?
What?
There's an error on the code because
Oh,
you can see that the closing tag on the head element is showing red. So there's an you wrote your apostrophe mark outside the bracket instead of outside after CSS after dot CSS. Okay. So since you are not stuck, go ahead.
I don't know what to do from here.
Share your screen. Can you make your screen bigger because I can't see it? Okay, thank you. So you say you don't know what?
I'm stuck from here.
Okay, so let me see your HTML first of all. Okay, so you still haven't linked your contact button in the href, so please do that.
Okay.
No, that's not what I'm saying. In your index.
Page where I'm looking. Is it just contact or am I doing everything?
You're supposed to you're not deleting delete everything inside the quotation mark except the quotation marks. Delete everything inside the quotation mark.
I should delete. I should delete contact.
Yeah. Yes, delete contact and delete the pound sign. Delete that sign. So now what is the name of the page you opened? Contact.html.
Contact.html.
Yeah, exactly. Also change the one for your home page. I told you to remove the class of active in that home. Remove that class of active. You can see there's an extra space. Remove it. Okay. So also change change the link, the pound sign and home. Change it to contact. Sorry, change it to index.com because that's your home page.
Say that again, please.
Index.html. Okay, so your home page, when you click on it, you want it to take you to this page, to this you know what? No, make it your about page. I'll make it your home page. Your home, why are you putting a space? Please remove that space after before href. Can you hear me?
Yes.
There is an extra space after that a href. Remove it before we continue. Have you done that?
Yes.
No, I cannot. Your screen is not moving, so I can't see what you're doing. Okay. Okay, I think it's moving now. Sorry. Okay. Why? Put a space now. I didn't say remove all the space now. There has to be one space now, just like the others. Aha. So I said just like the way you change the contacts to contact.html, change that home page to index.html. No, JSON. The name of your own is JSON. JSON.html. So change the one in the home. You want to link JSON.html to the home link. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how you did contact.html?
Yeah.
In that home page, change the one for home to JSON.html. That's what I'm saying. You removed the one that was there before and you wrote contact.html. So now remove the one that is there and write JSON.html. Yes. So now that you are done, copy your entire. Please hold on. So I see that you have a div class navbar. I don't know what is that div under that UL. What is it for? Remove it, please. Not that one, not that one, not that one. The one under div class navbar. Yes, that's div under the, remove it. Yeah, thank you. And now go and put the closing div under the closing UL. Put the closing div under the closing UL. It's supposed to be a closing div. Have you done that? Because your screen is not moving.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's moving now. It's not a closing div, I'm saying no. Sorry, network is not making me see it. So hold on. I said a closing div. That's not a closing div. A closing div has a slash.
Yes. Criminal and error.
That's not how the slash is. That's not how it is. It's in front of the div, not at the back. Yes. So now you've changed it to okay. So now copy your entire start from the div class navbar down to the closing div. Copy everything and go and post it in your contact page. delete that UL and paste it there. Okay. So now save this, save the one on your HTML, and let us go and check it on the site. Have you saved both files? Okay, so go to the site. Let us see it now.
Yeah.
No, to the browser rather. Go to your browser like you would normally go to your browser. Exactly. So now I don't know, you've done something to it now. It's not showing like before. Go back to your HTML. Go back to your HTML. Okay. So let me see where you link your CSS. I think you've changed something there in where you link your CSS. I can't even see your screen. I don't know what's going on. So go to where you link your CSS. You have deleted it. That's why it's not showing. Why did you delete your CSS? Go to your contacts.html. So you see the link to your CSS, copy it and go and paste it back.
This one.
Yeah, copy it and go and paste it back. Because that's where all the styling is. So if you remove it, it won't show. Delete that RG. I don't know why you did that. That's why you should paste it. So save it and let's go and see. Please go to the HTML. Let me see now. I mean, go to the browser. Let me see. Did it work? So what's the problem now? Go back to your VS Code. Let me see your style.css. Okay, so you see your style.css, you can see it's styles. There's an S after the style. So go and put it in your style.css. Go to json.html. You can see the link there. It is styles, not just style. So make it styles. So save it and also do the one for the contact page. Make it styles. All right, so save it and let's go and see. Okay, so now it's showing. So now click on the contact page. You see, it takes you here. I don't know why all this is showing, but we'll rectify that later. Can you go back? Just like go back to that page. Now go to your VS Code. Go to your contacts. Yeah, go to your contact.html. So why is he writing all those things he's writing? So hold on, let me try to figure out
Should I delete
exactly.
this?
What?
This.
Why would you delete it? No, you don't need to delete it. Just let me look at the code and figure out what was wrong. So just share your screen. just figure out what's wrong. Okay, our time has elapsed. I have to go, but hold on. Well, everything looks fine. So what's the problem? So you know what you do? Do me a favor. Um, delete everything on the page. Delete everything on the page. All right. Why do you have two contact.html? Why? Press undo. Press undo. Go to edit. You can see where edit is. Go to edit and click on undo, please. Your screen is not moving again. I don't know if you're doing what I said you should do.
I've done it.
So the codes have come back, right? So please explain to me why you have two contacts
I
contacts.html.
don't
Please
know. I don't know where that came from.
you were the one that created it. So delete the one on top.
How do I delete it?
Hover around it, take your cursor to it.
I
You should
have.
see delete there. Delete the one on top because the one under is the one with the code. Oh. And I'm struggling to see your screen. Delete. Move to recycle bin, yes. Okay, so you're going to have to create the page and start again because I don't know what you. So now create another file. It's not there anymore. So now create another file. Go to your browser first. You know what? On your contact.html. You have to go now. Have you created it?
Okay, I'm doing it.
That's not contact.html. I don't know what you're doing. That will be your assignment for tomorrow. Create a contact.html, create it, and put your navigation bar there to, okay, very good. So now put your navigation bar and link your CSS. So you're going to put your navigation bar, you're going to link your CSS, and then you're going to go on W3 School and figure out how to create a form. Just figure it out. If you cannot figure it out, I will teach you tomorrow, but I just want you to try it out today. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So figure out how to link your CSS. Please do not ruin your HTML code.
Okay.
Link your CSS to this contact.html and put your navigation. So I'll see you tomorrow. Any questions?
Okay.
I mean, I'll see you
No.
next week. Any
Oh,
questions?
okay. No.
All right. See you next week.
Bye.